Anna Nystrom is a fitness model and internet sensation from Stockholm, Sweden. Anna keeps on setting high goals for herself to reach new milestones in her career and also to inspire people to go after what they want in life. Anna Nystrom grew up eating healthy homemade meals, and this is something that set the basis for her diet nowadays. She makes sure to add vegetables with each of her meals to ensure she gets all the vitamins, minerals and fiber without the need of a multivitamin supplement. Also, between her meals, Anna will take a piece of fruit or a healthy snack to stay satiated. Anna also drinks a lot of filtered water, up to 4 liters per day. Not only does this gives her more energy in the gym, it also helps her maintain a clear skin, healthy hair and a strong immune system. Anna wanted to become an actress rather than a model, as she spent most of her time during her early years in front of a TV, watching movies and TV series together with her mother. She wasn't very nice to her body throughout the years, and while she was always somewhat attractive, she wasn't exercising and wasn't eating healthy food. She had a rather normal childhood, was very friendly, and had numerous friends during her high school years. They would often go partying and drink alcohol, which did not help Anna's figure in any way. Anna decided to turn her life around in 2013 and began going to the gym. She took it slowly at first, as she was in no condition to start exercising very hard. However, after she fell in love with her exercises and began to see improvements, she worked harder, determined to shape her figure the way she wanted it to look. She was soon noticed by modeling scouts who invited her to attend her first photo shoots. After these were completed, she signed a contract with a prestigious Swedish modeling agency, marking the beginning of her career. She has since appeared on the cover pages of several popular Swedish fitness magazines, while she can often be seen in commercials for clothes and lingerie.